Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how basically we can download images from the URL inside our Google Sheets, and we can insert the images right here, physical images. So basically this is the URL of the images which are there from the internet, Unsplash, Pixabay. You can just copy paste the URLs of these inside your Google Sheet, and basically I will be showing you a simple Google app script which will actually download the images from these URLs one by one. Let me show you this animation here. So you can see we have two functions written here: insert images. First of all, it will insert these images inside this Google Sheet. This columns images will be present here, and after this we will also be uploading these images directly, guys, from the URL that you see right here from the Google Sheet to directly to our Google Drive. You can see we have created an images folder here, so inside our Google Drive. So all these images will be directly published here inside Google Drive, uploaded here from the URL. So let me first of all insert these images inside this Google Sheet, guys. So many a times you want the images to be present inside your Google Sheet. So we have written a simple function, insert image. Let me run this function. So let me select this function and click on the run button. So as I click run button, guys, you can see that one by one it will take the URL and it will download these images right here inside the column itself. You can see one by one. So you can see a total of 6 images have been successfully downloaded, and basically you can see this is the image right here. If you see, you can even enlarge it and also see here. This is a physical image, guys. You can see that basically the images are there inside the cells of the Google Sheet. And now, guys, if you want to directly download them inside our Google Drive, basically you need to download these images inside your Google Drive. There is a second function which we have written, which is a download image function. Let me run this function now and click on the run button. So as I click on run button, guys, you can see one by one the images will be downloaded to your Google Drive. Just wait here, one by one you will see 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. A total of 6 images have been successfully downloaded. You can see that, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the two utility kind of Google app script we will be writing in this tutorial, which will let you download the images from a URL from the internet directly to your Google Drive and to your Google Sheet inside your cells, rows and columns. So first of all, guys, I will start from scratch. So you need to, first of all, if you want to the full source code of this tutorial, you can just go to the description of this video. I have written a complete blog post, step-by-step blog post explaining each instruction in detail. So I will highly recommend that you go to this blog post, and alongside with watching this video you can read this blog post. So let's start building this project. So first of all, guys, what we need to do is that we need to create a new sheet. So you just need to go to Google Sheet and click on go to sheets, and you need to create a blank sheet out there. And basically here you can rename this sheet to, let's suppose I can say here images. Just rename to images, and basically here, guys, we can put a column name which is called as picture URL, and basically here we can resize this column to create some spacing here. And you can just go to your sites such as unsplash.com or Pixabay. These are two completely free websites to download free images, so no copyright is there. So stock footage, you will see stock images. So I can just search for my favorite images, let's suppose programming. So you can see these photographs are there. So simply we can say right click, copy image address. So now we can simply paste it inside our first row. Simply paste. This is, you can see that, guys, basically you can enlarge this. This is one. And similarly you can do it for any image here. Let's suppose this one, copy image address. Once again paste it here, and similarly you can select this one, copy image address. So this process you need to do manually. There are also scripts out there which will automatically fetch these images from the Unsplash. So I can make this tutorial in a later video, but for the sake of this you need to simply copy paste the URLs here. These URLs can be coming from a database as well. So if you have an application, the users are uploading images, you can also connect to that service as well. So this will be an advanced tutorial. For this tutorial we just need to manually do this process. So after this, guys, if you see here, I think it is taking a lot of space out there. Let me just resize this column here. Yes, you can see guys, this is the column. Basically we are resizing it like this. So we can also increase the size of it guys. Let's suppose you also need to increase the size. You can select these columns and right click, and you can simply say here you need to increase the size. So what we can say is that we can simply there is an option out there. Let me say you just need to select these columns here and resize row. This is the option. You can change the height of this. Let's suppose I change it to 60. So now you can see, sorry, let me, you need to select all these rows, sorry, all these rows, and then right click, and there is an option out there to, so you can just do it like this. So we can see we have 4 images here. So now we need to download the images right here in the columns here, these columns. So what we can do is that basically we will simply click this extensions option, go to app script, and here we will be one by one downloading the images. So for this we need to write a function guys, which will be inserting the images from the URL. So we will write this function, and for this guys we need to first of all get the reference to the current sheet. We can use this using spreadsheet app, and we will get the active sheet method, and basically this contains the option which is get active sheet, get active cell. You can see that get active sheet, sorry, not active cell, get active sheet, get active spreadsheet, sorry, this is a method, get active spreadsheet, this is a method, and here we need to invoke get active sheet, this is a method. So this will get the current sheet guys we are on. We will go to the last row of the image, how many images are there. So we will get to the last row by this function, which is get last row, and then we will use a simple for loop guys. So we will loop through, iterate over all the URLs which are there. So we will say last row -1, so just indexing start from 0, that's why I++, and inside this first of all we will get the URL guys of the image by using sheet.getRange. So basically here we are providing the range guys of the columns here. You can see it's A1, A2. We need to start from A2. So here we need to put a formula here, 2 plus I. So for each value of I guys, the column will remain constant, which will be 1. These rows number will change because 2 plus 0 will be 2. This will be the first row. 2 plus 1 will be 3. 2 plus 2 will be 4, 2 plus 3 will be 5. So every time it will iterate over all the rows here. The column will remain the same, which is the first column. That's why we are providing the second argument to be 1 all the time. And we need to get the value of this column. So get value. This is a function we need to call here like this. So this will get the actual image URL. After this guys, we need to insert this or download this image from this URL and insert it to a column called as this column. This. So now we need to loop through it, and here we also need to get spreadsheet app, and here we will say new cell image, and here we will be inserting the image inside the cell. So that's why we are using this method new cell image. Basically this method, what does it creates a builder for a cell image, and basically we need to set a URL. So this is contained the method set source URL, and here we need to provide the URL of the image which is stored inside URL. That's it. After doing this, we need to simply move to the next line, sheet get range, and here we will simply say 2 plus I, again this formula 2. This time the column name will be 2 because we are moving to the next column out there guys. This is a column, and the rows formula will remain constant. 2 plus 0 will be 2, 2 plus 1 will be 3, 2 plus 2 will be 4, 2 plus 3 will be 5. So here we are just changing the column to be from 1 to 2, that's it. and we need to set the value of this column, set value and the image, whatever is the image that we constructed. That's it. So that's all guys, this is all the code which is required here. So now if I save this code here, and basically if I now run this code here, so what will happen now, you will see one by one these images will be, first of all, if you are running it for the very first time, you need to grant the permission. So spreadsheet permissions authorization is required. So you need to select your account and grant the necessary permission. So go to advanced option. So this is totally safe because this is your own app. So it is saying it will allow these permissions of Google Sheet. Simply click on allow, and now as soon as you click allow, the images will be downloaded from these URLs. It will be inserted, you will see one by one. You can see execution completed. Last row -1, 2 plus I, 1 get value. So you can see that guys, basically uh, I think I have created some kind of a problem here. Let me go backward here, undo, Control Z. Yeah, Control Z. So this was it. You can see now we have 4 images out there. So once again, if I run this script once again, click on run. So basically execution started. You will see one by one the images will be downloaded. I think some images you can see only this second image is working out there. So I think there is the code is correct here. You will see, let me copy paste this code once again. The code is correct. Sometimes if you copy the URL of the image, if it doesn't exist, then also it will take if you see once again, if I run this, you will see first, second, third, fourth. Oh sorry, there was just a typing mistake out there guys. So you can see that now it has successfully, let me increase the you can see that the images have been successfully downloaded and inserted in the columns. So now we need to download these images inside your Google Drive guys. So now we will be writing the second function which will actually directly upload these images to Google Drive. So for that you need to go to Google Drive here, and you need to create a folder, some kind of a folder. Simply click on new folder, and you need to simply say sheet images. Simply click on create, and as soon as your folder is created, right click on that folder, click on share, and basically simply click on copy link, anyone with the link, copy link. This is your link of the folder. So if you now, this is the ID that you have given here. So simply you need to paste the ID of this folder. So this we will need here. So simply now do this process. We will now write a second function here, which is called as download image. So you can directly just delete this function. We don't no longer need this. So we need to simply download the images which are present inside the sheet. So sheet, and basically once again spreadsheet app, and we need to get the active spreadsheet. So once again the same code will be used guys. Get active sheet. The same logic will be used. First of all, we will again go to the last row, sheet.get last row, and then we need to copy paste the ID of this folder guys. So simply I will copy paste the ID, then we will simply run this for loop once again. I is equal to 0, last row -1, and I plus plus. So inside this loop, guys, we need to get the URL once again. So we will use once again this get range function, and inside this the formula will be same, guys, 2 plus I comma 1. So every time we will loop through the URLs here which are present. Column name will be constant, will be 1, picture URL. This rows will be changing, 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 1 3, as is. And after this we need to get the value of this, so we will get the URL value. After this we need to convert this to a blob object, guys. So once ever you are downloading the images into a folder, you need to convert them into a blob. For this we will use the URL fetch app inside Google Apps script. It contains this fetch method, and basically it converts the URL to a blob object. And now in order to convert to blob, we have a function called as get blob. So this returns the data into a blob, and then we can simply just transfer this into the folder, create file, folder.create file, and here we will transfer the blob. That's it. So now if you run this, guys, also you need to grant permission for your Google Drive. So simply if you run this again, you need to create review permission and click on basically now allow these, allow. So now if you see, one by one the images will be downloaded inside your folder which is sheet images. So if you see, one by one it will take the URL of the images and it will download this inside your folder. So it is saying folder create file is not a function. Folder, okay, sorry, I made a problem, guys. You can see that this needs to be drive app. So drive app, this contains a method get folder by ID. So that's why I was very shocked why it wasn't asking for the Google Drive permission. So we haven't used the drive app. So this is the inside Google Drive we have a function which is get folder by ID. We are selecting the folder by its ID. Now if I run this, we need to grant the permission for Google Drive. If you see, if you run this now, again you need to grant the permission for Google Drive. So these permissions are also only granted for the very first time, guys. So in the subsequent runs you don't need to allow, you need not have to do this process again and again. So now if you see, it will download these images inside your folder, and you can see one by one image. You can even open this image as well. You can see this is the image. All the 4 images have been successfully downloaded, guys. You can see that you can download them inside your local machine. This is a very simple process, Google Apps Script, how we can download images from URL inside Google Sheet and also to Google Drive. All the source code is given in the description of this video, guys. So please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.